Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular dash cams, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view and the OVAMAN K600. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which dashcam is the best fit for your needs. We will compare them in three key areas: the number of channels, resolution, and field of view. Let's dive in. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view features a robust 4-channel system, providing comprehensive coverage around your vehicle. This means it can capture footage from multiple angles, ensuring no blind spots. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 offers a dual-channel setup, with 4K recording at the front and 1080p at the rear. While the OVAMAN provides high-quality front footage, it lacks the extensive coverage of the PRUVEEO. When it comes to video resolution, the PRUVEEO records in 1080p Full HD, which is adequate for most users. However, the OVAMAN K600 stands out with its 4K front recording, delivering superior detail and clarity. This makes the OVAMAN a better choice for those who prioritize high-resolution footage, especially for capturing important details on the road. The PRUVEEO offers an impressive 360-degree field of view, ensuring that all angles around your vehicle are covered. This is particularly beneficial for preventing blind spots. On the other hand, the OVAMAN K600 provides a more traditional field of view with 170 degrees at the front and 150 degrees at the rear. While it captures a good amount of the surroundings, it does not match the all-encompassing coverage of the PRUVEEO. In conclusion, both the PRUVEEO 360-degree view and the OVAMAN K600 offer unique advantages. The PRUVEEO excels in providing comprehensive coverage with its 4-channel system and 360-degree view, while the OVAMAN K600 impresses with its 4K recording capabilities. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you value complete coverage, the PRUVEEO is the way to go. However, if high-resolution footage is your priority, consider the OVAMAN K600. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.